The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper is an unmanned aerial vehicle capable of remotely controlled or autonomous flight operations, developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems, primarily for the United States Air Force. The MQ-9 and other UAVs are referred to as remotely piloted vehicles or aircraft. Operation MQ-9 Reaper. MQ-9 Reaper crews, stationed at bases such as Creech Air Force Base, near Las Vegas, Nevada, can hunt for targets and observe terrain using multiple sensors, including a thermographic camera. One claim was that the onboard camera is able to read a license plate from 2 miles away. Test bed and upgrades. In November 2012, Raytheon completed ground verification tests for the ADM-160 MALD and MALD-J for integration onto the Reaper for an unmanned suppression of enemy air defenses capability. On 12 April 2013, a company-owned MQ-9 equipped with a jamming pod and digital receiver exciter successfully demonstrated its electronic warfare capability at Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, performing its mission in coordination with over 20 participating aircraft. A second electronic warfare test, fitted with the Northrop Grumman Pandora-U system, was conducted on 22 October 2013 with other unmanned aircraft and Northrop Grumman EA-6B prowlers, showing effectiveness in a multi-node approach against a more capable IADS.